That thing looks good. It's giving scalp. Melted, y'all. Wow. Wow. Hi, I'm Shaka Starks and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I make videos all about beauty, lifestyle, and home decor. So if you enjoy watching those type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this beautiful hair from Ft.NadulaHair.com. Be sure to check the description box for all the details and a code to get money off your order. I'm super excited and a little nervous to try this HD lace closure wig. I've never had a closure wig. I had a frontal one time for my 30th birthday, and it just was a lot of work to make it like look good every day. And so I was like, yeah, maybe this is not for me, special occasion for sure. Then I had a closure and I don't know, it just felt like too much work. I'm excited to try this, giving it another shot. It's pretty much like the same texture that I would normally wear in like a sew-in or with my V-parts. I've been wearing a V-part lately. So this is their body wave. It doesn't look body wave right now because I washed it already and I blow dried it. I try not to blow dry it super straight because I did want a little texture, but I'm gonna put some like waves back in there. I really like how soft and flowy it is, so I might just like, you know, make it do what it do. So y'all are seeing this live in action. This is my first time trying a closure wig, but look at this freaking wig. It is so pretty. Look at that, look at that. I tried to dye it black. It's a lot of hair and I only had one box of dye, so it's not as black as it could be, but it's giving black. Let's go ahead and jump into this wig. I'm scared. Is it too low? How am I supposed to know if it's too low? I don't know if this is right, wrong. It feels like the parting looks good. That lace, that thing looks good. It's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. All right, so I got some mousse. I don't have a hot comb. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's doing it. That's doing it. It's I'm nervous. Let's take this thing off. I don't know. Hasn't been that long. I don't know if that was enough time, but we'll see. Oh, it feels so good. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm just gonna put this like kind of behind. Oh, wow. That looks good. That looks really good, I think. I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Comment below if this looks good, because I didn't do anything. I didn't even cut the freaking lace, y'all. I want to pull my hair out. It's got like a tiny little ear tab, so I guess that's what you call it. Just do something. I didn't even do anything yet. I think I just did something. Okay, I think I did something. I'm really scared of this part. What do we think? I don't know. I don't know. Definitely melted, y'all. Wow. 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 Okay, I'm excited and nervous. So let's just go for it. Yo, this thing. They was not playing. What? They was not playing. Wow, I cannot believe how like you, wow. It's giving hairline. Okay, this part is a little stuck. Let's see, what should we do? Okay, I don't think I was supposed to do that. All right. Oh, it looks good to me. I'm not even gonna front. I guess my part could be a little wider. Like, I'm not sure what to do now. What do y'all think? What am I supposed to do? Pull out some baby hairs like from my side joints. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Show me some love in the comment section, y'all. Tell me what you think. How did I do? And be sure to check out some of my other videos right here. Thank you so much for the love, y'all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.